go to the Tools panel of Affinity Photo and go to the Ellipse tool. With that, make certain you've got the fill set to nothing. Click there and you can see swatches and you can see fill there, nothing. Also set the stroke to black or green or whatever and set a stroke width. Now I'm going to go for about 20 and I'm just going to create a circle. Hold down the shift so it's got a nice circle there. And I'm going to duplicate that design. So now just hold down the Alt or Option key. It's on the keyboard next door to Control, Command, etc. down in the bottom there and just quickly create it. Now sometimes that position Alt or Option seems to be on different positions on different keyboards. So you might find it in a different location and resize these. And what you can do, you can create 5, 10, 15 of them. And what you can also do, you can also vary the size as well. You don't have to keep them the same size. You don't have to align them all. You can put them in different positions, perfectly reasonable. You can align them, of course, if you want. So you select all of them. You see they're all selected there. Go to the alignment up here and then align them. But you can also simply go there and select one and maybe go for 10 or 12, whatever. Just vary it. And you can create 15 or 20. Maybe more is even better. So just experiment with this design. So now with all those selected, like I say, it could be 20 layers, 30 layers. Go to Layer and down to Merge Visible. Now they're all one single layer now, and I'm just going to remove those now. So this design is a pixel layer, you can see there. Go to Layer, and it needs to be a pixel layer for this bit. New pattern layer from selection. So straight away you can see now you've got this pattern design. Now I'm just going to go up top left to the mirror. There's the mirror option, and it's now mirrored. Obviously, because it's circles, you won't see any difference. So just remove that. And I can resize this design. However, what I can do, I can also go to Filters, Distort, and Deform. So deform there, and now I can just deform it. And I can go for rigid or similarity, but I can add some handles or pins, depending on what you want to call them, just around that design there. And you can see that that's the box, and you can just distort that design. And of course you can distort it in numerous ways, some better than others. You can always undo. If you're not happy with the design, undo it. And sometimes it's easy to not select the handle there. Right, select it. And you can see the design created there. And again, once you've done that, click apply. And then you can still resize the design there. So you can reduce it down. And of course, what you can also do, you can always go to Filters, again, Distort, Deform. If you want to deform it again, perfectly reasonable. You can also use Repeat Deform as well. So Repeat Deform sometimes doesn't generate something particularly brilliant, but it's nice just to try it out. And you can always rotate the design, say like that, and then go to Filters, Repeat Deform, and then you can see you get a different design. And again, rotate that and go to Filters and Distort, Deform, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.